Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to go and add general to adventure in Evony. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add general to adventure in Evony. So first of all, you need to open the adventure main screen. So we have it on the left side of the screen here. We have adventure, where you can check your adventures. Then here you need to go and tap generals to switch to generals that are eligible for adventure mode. So bottom right corner, as you can see, bottom we have treasure, attack, and generals. Click on generals, and here you can check out them. Make sure you have a recruited, unlocked, or one of the supported adventure generals. Only generals shown in the adventures list can be used. Then return to adventures and tap attack on the stage you want to play. So basically, wherever you want to play, we have stage 17 for me. I can click attack there. Then when you, of course, go and click on there on the information screen, tap available generals. So when you click on here, you will see where you can, of course, go and attack. And when you attack, you will have which generals will be available for you in this fight. And you can, of course, go and use them here. As you can see, we have quick select where you can select them or unselect them. And that's how you can do it. Basically, it is that easy. If one of your regular generals does not appear as an option, this usually isn't a bug. Adventure mode only supports certain generals, so keep that in mind also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.